I invite you to enjoy a new resource where you will find many books that you can see and hear. I'm going to show you how to enter. The page is MyOn. You have to write the school name. Columbia Reads. The username is MyOn. All together, okay? And the password is READ. R-E-A-D. And sign in. You will see many interesting topics that you can enjoy as a family. Look. Today we are going to enter science. Please click on seasons and weather. It's a beautiful place to read lots of books. Today we're going to listen and see this one. Where does the sun go at night? If you put the mouse here, click read, and that's it. Start the book. Enjoy it.